My name is Jeremy. I'm from Chef Mavro restaurant here in Honolulu, Hawaii. Today we're gonna make ahi poke, which is like a classical dish here in the islands, but with a little bit of ginger scallion that we make here at the restaurant. It's like the Chinese ginger scallion, but we don't cook it, it's raw. So it's really strong and flavorful. Here we have scallions or green onions, regular onions sliced, poke, or you can use ahi, or you can use marlin, Hawaiian salt, red salt, black and white sesame seeds, and this is our ginger scallion sauce. It's like a Chinese ginger scallion, but it's not cooked, and there's no sesame oil in it. We have soy sauce here, and sesame oil. This is how we make our M-style poke from Chef Mavro restaurant. We start with the ahi. I put everything in, the ingredients, onions, scallions, before the sesame oil and the soy sauce, just because if you mix too much, the sesame oil it looks like it congeals and it's too much. It looks like it's too much oil. So I try and mix with the soy sauce only, and then we put some salt and sesame seeds. Once you put the sesame oil in, you kind of just want to fold it and not mix so much, just so it looks fresh. The sesame oil gives it flavor, but it has a gloss to it and it makes it shiny. And we put the ginger scallion right on top. If you mix this in, you can, but it'll turn the whole thing green, which you kind of want to see the ahi, and then you can mix later.
Okay.
For the ginger scallion sauce we use here at the restaurant, with the poke and here at the restaurant as well, it takes about a quarter pound of green onions or scallions to make 1 cup. We use green onions, ginger, a little bit of sugar, salt, and grapeseed oil, because grapeseed oil is neutral as opposed to like a vegetable or canola oil. It's a little bit less flavorless. And we just blend it all up, and that's pretty much it. It's ready to go. So this is our ahi poke, Chef Mavro style. We hope you enjoy. Aloha.